Hello kids. Today we will learn all the shapes name. Okay, all the shapes name and put the shapes on it on place. Okay. Okay. Hi Motu. Which shape is this kids? It's semicircle. It's semicircle. And we will put it its own place. Where is its place? Here? No. Here? No. No. Yes. Which shape is this kid? It's rhombus. It's rhombus. It is its place? No. Is it? No. Oh, yes. This is its right place. This is rhombus. This is rhombus. Which shape is this kids? It's square. No. 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 Oh, here. Yes. This is square. No. This is rectangle. This is rectangle. No. No. Yes. This is rectangle. This is cross. Here, no. 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 Yes, this is cross. No. 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 Yes. This is oval. This is oval. No. 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 Yes, this is circle. This is round circle. Okay. No. 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 Yes, this is octagon. This is octagon. No. No. Yes, this is heart. This is heart. No. 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 Yes, this is quatrefoil. This is quatrefoil. Okay. No. 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 Yes, this is pentagon. Okay. No. 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 Yes, this is trapezoid. This is trapezoid. Haha. I find it. Yes. Okay. No. Yes. This is pi. This is pi. Okay. And oh yes. This is hexagon. Hexagon which have 6 sides. Okay. Yes. This is rectangle. This is triangle. Okay. And last we have here star. We will repeat all this name. Okay. First triangle. Second rectangle. Third cross. Fourth square. Fifth heart. Sixth rhombus. Seventh oval. Eighth pi. Ninth it's semicircle. 10th it's octagon. 11th it's hexagon. 12th it's trapezoid. 13th it's star. 14th it's quatrefoil. It's quatrefoil. 15th it's circle, round circle. And last, it's pentagon which have 5 sides. Okay, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Bye, Motu. Bye.